And moving on to our best convenience store development chain.
This award will be handed out by Shemek Gut from ASB.
So Shemek, come join us to give out this award.
And we have 3 nominees in this category: Hop Stop Catharsis Development Poland, Vis-a-Vis Capital Park Poland, and Vendo Parks Try Real Estate Poland. And who is the winner?
So Shemek, welcome.
Good evening, everyone. And the winner is Vis-a-Vis Capital Park Poland.
Welcome.
I'm not from Capital Park, but my name is Tom Barnhart, and I've known Jan and Jerzy Moats for probably 20 plus years. And they might be among the finest entrepreneurs that I've ever met in Poland. Very well organized and certainly deserve the award. So congrats to Capital Park and the Moats brothers.
Come join us for a photo. We'll just turn that around.